In this lesson, we will be creating Canvas group controller, so we can change alpha on a parent object, and also all the children will be affected. So let's create new script called controller Canvas group. Let's open it. Let's inherit our controller abstract class and also implement it. Clean the file. And let's create public Canvas group variable called myCanvasGroup. Let's add new private void setCanvasGroup alpha method with a float parameter called myFloat. And inside, let's write myCanvasGroup.alpha equals myFloat. Now let's delete non-implemented exception inside setValues from curve. And let's write there setCanvasGroup.alpha with the curve result as parameter. Change the colors. Save the file and let's test it. First, create new game object called CanvasGroupTest. Let's add driver component on it and also our new controller Canvas group. Select panel 1 game object, which is parent of our 3 stars, and add new Canvas group component on it. Select Canvas group test game object again, and drag and drop panel 1 into my Canvas group variable. Let's set up the driver. Let's turn on auto start. Change loop type to ping pong. Change loop count to 2. Set the duration to 1. And turn on auto repeat. To test it, press play. And we can see our Canvas group component is working how it should. So that's it for this lesson. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.